Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the language switching method in keyboard in this device. So here you can just swipe right or left at the space bar. We can easily switch between the added keyboard languages. You can see here English, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam. You can see. So let me show you how to change the switching method. Simply go to settings, scroll to bottom, tap on the option general management, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Okay, now tap on the option language and type. So at the bottom you can see the option language switching method. Now we select the option space bar swipe. If you tap on this one, you can see two more options, language key and space bar, and you can select language key only. So here I am going to select the option language key. Now let me show you. Open the keyboard. You can see this is the language key. If you tap on this one, you can see we can easily switch the added languages. And also you can select this one also. Both language key and a spacebar swipe. Now let me show you. Now to switch between the added languages, you can tap on the language key. Otherwise, swipe right or left the spacebar also. So simply in this way, we can change the language switching method in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.